Hello everybody. Today I would like to show you how to assemble and install the carousel for the Ikea corner base cabinet. Start by opening the box and removing all the parts to the side, leaving only one of the shelves. Take out all the remaining smaller items from the box. Cut out all the plastic bags and empty the pieces into a pile. Also, remove the plastic wrap around the metal center tube. Now take a look at your shelf and find a sticker on it. Once you find the side with the sticker on it, that is the bottom side of the shelf. Now you take this plastic part and insert this plastic tube in it. Just like that. Turn it over and look for the small round knob that should perfectly fit in the middle cutout. Now turn over the shelf to the side and with the sticker on it, fit the plastic to match the cutout hole. Then take the smaller round part and screw these two together tightly. Next, take the thin plastic sticks and insert those into the open holes around the edges of the curved open tips facing towards the middle of the shelf. Then, take one of the metal rods and connect the open sides with the mini plastic tube. Do not press it too hard so the plastic tube won't break on you. Once that's done, fit it right in the open tips of the sticks, matching it to the shape of the shelf. Place the clear mat on the shelf. Following the same instructions, assemble the other shelf. Once done, take all the remaining parts and move to the corner cabinet to begin installing the carousel. Place the round plastic piece right over the two designated holes on the bottom of the cabinet. Find these two screws and screw them in right. Find the other two screws and place this plastic piece and screw them like so inside the top of the cabinet, looking for the two designated holes on them. Place one of the shelves on the bottom plastic piece and then place the second shelf right on top of it. Fit the metal center tube right through both of the shelves. Lift the top shelf and fit the metal pin right through the third hole from the bottom. Pull the top insert of the tube out of and fit it into the upper plastic piece of the cabinet and secure it by screwing the last screw into the designated hole of the tube. Find another metal pin and lift the bottom shelf and insert that into the last bottom hole of the metal center tube, exactly like that. And just like that, you are all done. The carousel for the Ikea corner base cabinet is assembled and installed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more videos on how to install on the Ikea kitchen.